In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can play Geoguessr with friends. The first thing that you have to do is create an account. You and your friend need to have accounts created, and once you have accounts created, then you will click on Play Now. Geoguessr is going to look a little something like this, and you have the multiplayer option, which has things such as duels, team duels, battle royale, so on and so forth. And you have the party section, so you want to focus on the party section here if you want to play with friends. You will see this party, invite your friends and play together and join with a code. So if we click on party, then it's going to show us how it works. You will invite your friends, you will compete with your friends and family in the ultimate geography challenge. You will play together in your favorite game modes, and you can design your own game with thousands of maps and customizable settings. So if you want to unlock parties, then you will need to have a pro subscription. So the host will need to have a pro subscription. You can click on unlock parties here, and you have to choose a subscription type. And once you have a subscription type, then the other people, the host here, will generate a code. And the other people which don't have the pro subscription will click on join another party, and they will type the code here, and they will be able to join the host. And that is how you play Geoguessr with friends. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.